Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2011 Kia Optima LX. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2.4 four-cylinder. For wheels we've got 16-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A gray cloth interior. Coming around back, we've got our Optima GDI badging. Opening up the tailgate. We've got a set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming up front, we've got power windows, infinity sound system, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a touchscreen media display, navigation, rear view backup camera, our hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. This Kia has 103,087 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Kia, check out feldmanimports.com.